and then send. So once everything is successful, you will receive a text message from 2882 Gcash and Coins.ph that the process has been successfully completed and the money has been successfully transferred to your Coins.ph account. Hey guys, my name is Dennis and welcome to another video, and today I will be teaching you on how to transfer money from Gcash to Coins.ph. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you're not new and click the bell icon so you'll receive a notification when I have a new tutorial that might benefit you. Okay? So first, what we are going to do is we are going to transfer this money, the 2,000 pesos, to my Coins.ph account. So first is you need to click on cash in and then choose Gcash. Okay, here, Globe Gcash via Dragon Pay. It is an instant payment, so you don't need to wait for any time. So just click that and then click on next step. So we are going to transfer 2,500. Then, so just type in the amount on the space provided, and then click on next step. But you can see there the Coins.ph fee, which is 25 pesos. So the total amount that will be deducted is 2,525. But please remember that there is also a 10 pesos service fee charged by Dragon Pay to your Gcash account. So the total amount will be 2,535 pesos. You need to make sure that you have that amount on your Gcash account so that the process will be seamless. So let's go back to Coins.ph. Just click on next step, and then so here is the complete details on how you can pay that amount. It says here waiting for your payment. That's 2,525, but the only amount that will appear on your Coins.ph is 2,000. So click on Pay with Dragon Pay, and it will lead us to the Dragon Pay website. So just type your mobile number there, your Gcash mobile number, where the money will be coming from, and then click on Pay. You will receive a text message from Dragon Pay requesting for your PIN, and you can also see the amount there. That's 2,535 pesos. That's the total amount that will be deducted from your Gcash account. So just reply with your PIN and make sure that you are using the SIM card which is registered to Gcash. So I will be typing in my PIN and then send. So once everything is successful, you will receive a text message from 2882 Gcash and Coins.ph that the process has been successfully completed and the money has been successfully transferred to your Coins.ph account. So let's check our Gcash account again. Let's see the balance. There, you can see that the balance has been automatically deducted to your Gcash account, and it is automatically added to your Coins.ph account. So let's check my wallet again. Let's see if it has. So there, you can see that the money has been successfully transferred. So that's the process of transferring money from Gcash to Coins.ph. Again, if you enjoy this video, please like this video. It will help me a lot, and share to those who need this tutorial. So again, if you have any question, comment it below, or you can also message me on Messenger. That's m.me/unboxsolutions with S. So again, my name is Dennis. Thank you for watching and have a great day.